the Glidden Fire Department for their annual steak dinner. This is an event that takes place every year. It's the last Saturday of August, and what they do is they just do a big steak cookout. And ribeye steaks, you buy a ticket. It's probably their largest fundraiser of the year. We love to support our local causes. This year, we've made a cash donation with the rising cost of meat. They wanted to try to keep ticket prices the same, so we're gonna offset some of the cost of that meat. And we're up here to have a good time, show everybody in the community that we care. And that's what we're all about with the Karl family of dealerships and being a part of the community.
All the money, all the proceeds go towards helping our taxpayers with financing the fire department, buying hose, buying gear. And look at the turnout, it's great, and people get together and do a good lot of talking and socializing. So yeah, we want to thank Karl Pre-Owned for helping support events like this to make them possible and help us save some funds, because you know everything's higher these days, and it keeps the cost down for the people that want to come.